So, good evening, ma'am. So, I chose the desert as my habitat diorama because it's a really unique and extreme environment that shows how living things can adapt to survive in tough conditions. Deserts are super hot during the day and cold at night, and they don't get much rain, so plants and animals have to be really smart with how they use water. I thought it would be interesting to show how cacti store water, how animals like camels stay cool, and how everything in the desert has a special way of surviving. It's also different from more common habitats like forests, so it stands out and gives me a chance to be creative with the scenery and colors.
Okay. So, ato tanawon ang iyang mga common names and scientific name. So, may iya cactus, tumbleweed, may iya other form ng cactus or cacti, and it's a meerkat. Uy, pagtuko ko ding sand cat baya siya. Cat gani gihapon. And may iya fox. Kaya dida ang camel. Lagi nga ni si Koan. Si Aladdin. Hala, ang scorpion ni mo. Ay, dida ba yung scorpion? Gamayers. Okay. Sa last, okay.
Joshua.
Yes. Okay. Good.